Gotta turn it down just a bit so people can hear us and not the game so much. So at least it's not overpowering. Alright, I think we're ready. I think we're ready too. Well, people, this is Bugsy here. And it's on second. And Sonic Boom Month, day 2. Day 2. 2003. Wait. 2013. I'm freaking. I don't know. I just thought we just warped in time. But anyways. So, people, you want to know something awesome? Me and Bugsy found this game that was made by ClassicSonicSatAm. He's the guy that made this game, and me and Bugsy are gonna show you a few things that you guys need to know about it. Let's see here. Boop, boop. Oh yeah, since this, my friends, is the demo version, we can do whatever the crap we want with this one. Though Supersonic is not invincible in this thing, so yeah, it kind of sucks. But Supersonic is completely freaking fast. Like he's not invincible in this little demo. I wouldn't expect him to be. It's not even really. I mean, it's good. It's not like done ready yet. So yeah, it's just still in its demo phase. And oh crap, I guess Supersonic can't enter things. Oh, it still was cool. The thing is, with the demo, we can be whatever character we want right now, so it's kind of cool. 2. Yeah. It's freaking cool, Bugsy. It's freaking cool. The Supersonic still maintains his speed and it's fast as crap. Now this is what I always wanted freaking. This is the kind of speed I always wanted for freaking. That's the kind of thing I always wanted with Supersonic. Yep, me too. And don't worry, people. This is only the first part of day 2. The second part is us having a discussion about Sonic Lost Worlds and some other stuff. Ooh. Why are we stuck in the ground? Let me just, yeah, there we go. Supersonic looks cocky or high. Yeah, he really does. He's game breaking Bugsy. So what are a lot of things we do? Well, that was cool. Alright, 2. This is like an all-purpose tool. Now, 2 once again. Supersonic should have like a higher jump though. Completely, Bugs. I believe in that. You should totally have a higher jump. debug mode. But if you don't like this scenery, boom doo 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 doo. Oh yeah. Subs freaking Stardust Speedway. Without this, freaking ClassicSonicSatAm, he's a good dude, and this is the kind of thing you'd want, because, seriously, who would not want to see their favorite SatAm characters, their favorite SatAm characters in one of these classic Sonic levels? Sega would be making so much money off this if they could. They just do this. But no. I mean, seriously, if they just said, like, the Freedom Fighters will be in this game, freaking Sega would make a buttload of money. They probably would. Holy crap, Bugsy. Yep, that was sweet. Anyways, this is only part 1 of day 2 of Sonic Boom Month. We thought this would be pretty cool for you guys to see. But, it's awesome. And that's not even the full demo. We just wanted to do something a little different. So, but everything else is pretty good. You should go download it. Seriously, it's good. It's awesome. See you guys later. Well, not entirely see you later, but, Oh, dang, it's got an exit now. Well, that was just part 1, but part 2 is going to be even cooler, because now we're going to talk more about Sonic Lost Worlds and all the stuff we've compiled from Sonic Lost Worlds and our own conclusions of what the future of Sonic games will hold, basically. So, yeah, we're going to do like a Sonic Ramble. See you guys in a minute. Bye.